Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Baby Mama Pushes No Nonsense Cop Way Too Far by Crime Time Cam.
On October 24th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a woman stealing her ex-boyfriend's phone.
What? For what?
Which one of y'all called?
So, it was me. But she came to my house and told me that he said, because they just had left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she pulled
Where's your house?
Right here.
Okay.
My boy got that Bobby Brown. Okay.
Okay, this is your house.
And she pulled, after they left, it wasn't like 5 minutes at the most.
Yeah.
She come back. I spoke to her already. Basically, she comes over, she picks the phone up, she leaves again with it, and she's basically saying she's not going to give it back once it's passcode and everything else to it. So it's pettiness is what it is.
Yeah, we not even together. We got a child together.
So I think he finally has made contact with her on the phone, and I know that you said all you wanted your phone back, right?
All I wanted my phone.
Okay, so here's the deal.
I just talked to her. She says she's in Thomaston, but she's coming back up here to bring you the phone. Do you want to wait and see if she brings the phone?
So much.
Why you let this girl take your phone away? Oh, never mind. He got skinny jeans. That's why.
I ain't got no trouble but to wait.
Okay, well, I'm asking, it's like she's saying, if we go the route of putting it as a stolen item and putting warrants on it, that doesn't mean you're going to get the phone back. Now you got family violence warrants there going forward. Okay, that's a big thing.
Well,
You tell us what you want to do. Well, it's not even family violence really, I don't think, for this.
y'all don't live together, do you? Well, do y'all share a child together?
Yes, ma'am.
It's family
But
violence.
it's a theft,
I mean,
though.
yeah.
It's not a...
Yeah, I live in Griffin. She live in Thompson.
So what do you
So-
want to do? Do you want to wait?
I
See if she brings it?
try to wait, give her a chance. I want one of y'all personal number too, so y'all can. Cause she don't borrow my phone, by
No, you call 911, they'll get a hold of
He's scared.
us that way. Yeah, the
Well,
numbers
we're
we
just-
use, they're flip-flopping.
What we're trying to reiterate to you though is like if once it's all said and done, and if we go forth and we leave here and we take these warrants, we are not dropping the warrants. If she comes back 3 hours later and says, "Here, baby, here's your phone," that doesn't mean we're going to drop the warrants. The warrant is still going to be out for her arrest, and she's still going to go to Spalding County Jail when we find her, or when Thompson goes and picks her up. I don't know, like he was saying, if that's really the route you want to go, but if it is, a decision needs to be made.
When I talked to you on the phone, it sounded like you more or less just want your phone back.
Yeah.
Now, we can't force her to do anything like that.
Yeah.
However,
Let me make a phone call. Tell her you don't bring my phone and wet, bro. You don't have to go, bro.
So,
Down the road, something.
what led us to her taking the phone? Did you witness it all?
I would.
Okay, so you tell me what happened.
Okay. I seen her at the AutoZone because she called me earlier and said her brakes were messing up. She was already in the area.
Yeah.
So I seen her at the AutoZone. I said, I'm sitting over here at Grandma's house. Come over here and chill with me. And she was like, all right, I'm finna come soon. I get done paying for the brakes or whatever.
My boy was trying to get him a little cutty.
And when she got here, I was like, take me to the store. That's what I got. You got cameras at the store, her dropping me off at the store. But I left my phone. I was sitting in the car with her on the phone with my partner. And I was like, my phone about to die. I'm finna put it on the charge and I'm finna go to the store.
Yeah.
That's how she knew my phone was in the house. So when I got to the store and she dropped me off, she left. But when I came back to see what my phone said on the charge, it was gone. And I was asking them like, where my phone at? And they were like, she came and got it, said that you said, give it to her, which I never said.
Did you see her actually physically take the phone?
Yeah, I gave it to you.
Now, why the would you do something like that, Unc? Come on, now.
Y'all got any more questions for me?
Well, that's it. I just want.
So let me do a little recap, make sure I got y'all's story straight. So she was over at AutoZone. You was like, hey, you want to come chill? She came over here. You asked her to go drop you off at the store. You went and put your phone on the charger on the inside. Got back in the car. Y'all went to the store. She dropped you off at the store. She came back and told you. He said, hey, grab my phone. So you went inside, got the phone off charge, and gave her the phone. And she went back to Thompson.
Oh, she smooth at the motherfucker.
If I would have had my phone, my probably should have never came back.
Yeah.
She just know what he said in the car. Let me go charge my phone.
Phone, yeah.
And she know he didn't have a phone.
Yeah.
So when she dropped him off, she come right back.
Yeah. All right, well. Yeah. No problem.
It's got to be the country.
Hey, how are you? Good, how are you? I'm Officer Hart.
The phone thief.
4048 dispatch. Will you copy at 27 out of Georgia?
Are they in Georgia?
0
Georgia.
61905 175.
What else put over for?
I'll tell you in a minute.
You tell me in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
What did I do?
You're Miss Michaela, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and step up.
I just gave him his phone.
It doesn't matter.
Cedric, call my mama. Call my mama.
Hey, go ahead and step it up.
No, I just
Get out of the car.
You already had an extra phone and you gonna take somebody else's phone? Why would you do
I
that?
just gave him his phone. They told me that I didn't have an active warrant. Cedric!
Get out of the car.
Let me get somebody to call my mama. I'm pregnant.
You can call him. Hey, you can call him in a minute. Get out of the car.
Okay.
Get out of the car or you're gonna get tased.
Cedric. Tip, call my mama, bro. They just put me over. I just went to jail for skate phone. Call my mama.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Why is I'm going to jail? You're not telling me.
I done told
Yeah, that's crazy. Go over to go to jail over a phone. That's your baby daddy's. Wicked.
you, girl. You knew what it was for.
He told me that I wasn't going. Skate.
He lied.
Call my mama. Cedric. Cedric.
Girl,
Call my mama.
stop.
What are you tasing me for? What am I
Girl,
going
I'm
to jail
not tasing you. 48 dispatch, I won 295.
for? I'm pregnant. Stop.
I don't care. I'm not hurting you. You acting a fool on the side of the road.
Why would you?
They
why would
definitely in the
you
country.
put me to jail for this shit? Poor boy, can you drive my car around there and put it in the car, please?
40, 10-4.
On 10-4. Will you give me a read back on that 27?
Can you please call my mama? Y'all just arrested me.
You get to call that jail.
I'm arresting you for theft by taking. Take a seat.
He took my phone and broke it.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Get in the
I
car.
want to see the warrant. I want to see the warrant.
Get in the
I
car.
want to see the warrant. I want to see the warrant. No, I want to see the warrant. No, that's me. I want to see the warrant. I'm pregnant.
Oh.
Get in the car.
Sir,
For somebody that's acting pregnant, you show. I mean, somebody that's pregnant, you show ain't acting like it.
can I see the warrant? Get in the car. Can I see the warrant?
Get in the fucking car.
Oh,
Ah, pregnant. Get in the
oh, she kicking.
Don't kick me.
No, because y'all put your hands on y'all can't do that.
Assault on Aaliyah.
The obstruction. I don't know. I didn't get a chance. No, nobody's going near the car. If you come any further, you'll go to jail for obstruction. I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing this.
Please see the warrant. They told me that I didn't have a warrant. Can I please see the warrant?
Give me just a second.
Can I please see the warrant, ma'am?
You've kicked me. Your days of speaking are over.
Can I please see the warrant? What's out of-
Yeah, I'm good. She kicked me, but now she's got a felony.
And me.
And you, so that's 2 felonies.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Mr. Town.
Damn, all this over a cell phone.
Mr. Town. Can I please? Mr. Town.
Correction, calling that I'm not the subject.
Y'all ain't even showing me a warrant. Like,
Yeah,
y'all
because it
just
just happened. He said he wanted to press charges.
He just told me that he did not press charges, ma'am. Can I please see the warrant?
He lied.
That's all I'm asking to see the warrant. Because I just got
Little baby lied.
Question. Did you assault either of these officers?
No, they was pushing me, sir, and I'm pregnant. She was pushing me.
Okay.
And
He refused. She refused to get in the car.
Oh, I'm clear. Okay. Well,
Mr. Town.
regardless of anything at this point, whenever you put your hands on or your feet on officers, now you catch charges for that. So regardless of all this, now you're going to catch charges for assaulting these 2 officers.
So what we're not going to do is have a big group of people keep walking up. How can I help you? You're the one with your phone stolen.
Oh, yeah, I got it back.
Okay, well, you already told us you wanted to press charges, so that's what we're doing. And the car's getting
Boy, yo.
so.
How you get press charges on your own baby mama is crazy.
Illegal.
Girl, if you will shut up for 2 seconds, I will explain it to you. But if you interrupt me, I'm not going to explain it to you. Now, do you want to know?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. Are you going to interrupt me?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Your baby daddy. Correct? That's who it is. He called. Said you stole his cell phone. There was a witness to this that also said you stole his cell phone. He advised us multiple times he wanted to press charges. Matter of fact, he's the one that snitched on what your car looked like and everything, girl. So, he told us he wanted to press charges. That's what we're doing.
That's so fucked up because she just sat there and gave him a ride to the store and dang.
Well, you gotta get out.
Stop.
Don't. I'm not going to touch you. You don't have to do that. Stop.
You're going to stop banging your head.
No. Can you
I'm
leave?
protecting you from hurting yourself further.
Please just stop. Just let me move.
No, ma'am.
She would give Tylenol a headache.
Please just stop. This is racism. Stop, sir. I'm not hurting myself. Just leave me alone. Just stop. I'm not going to hit my head. Just leave me alone.
Nope.
I'm pregnant. Stop. Like, you cannot touch me. Stop.
I can and I'm going to, ma'am. Sit still.
No.
Be still.
No. Leave me alone. Y'all are being racist. Stop.
Ma'am, stop. She tried to damn bite me.
I'm not going to bite you. I'm trying to let you from my head.
Well, now we're going to be uncomfortable because you're not going to bite me.
I'm not going to bite you.
Hey, y'all may want to spit guard. She's trying to bite.
Oh my God, you gonna make up anything. I'm not gonna bite you. Move up.
Well, you keep acting crazy, they gonna have to put you in the crazy suit.
She's trying to hook herself in the seatbelt. Grab that seatbelt. Hey, deputy, grab that seatbelt, please. Don't let her kick you. She's already kicked two of our officers.
I'm not gonna kick him because he's black. Stupid.
Oh, so you're admitting to a hate crime then?
Mm.
Because he
She said that she won't kick him
banged
because
my
he's
head.
black.
Why would I
So
respect
she kicked you because of that. Make sure that goes in the report.
Oh my God, put it all in the report. I don't give a
Pretty much.
Don't gotta carry me. I'm going in there. Come on. I can walk. We got you. We got you.
What are her
Woman was charged
charges?
with battery on law enforcement, theft, and resisting arrest.
Goddamn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.